Collagen is one of those things that you probably hear about fairly regularly, even though you may not be totally sure what it is. To put it simply, collagen is an essential protein that helps make up our muscles, tendons, bone, and skin. It is responsible for around 1/3 of the protein that your body needs, according to WebMD, and your system produces it naturally, and there's more than one type of collagen. In fact, there are 16 different kinds. Although this protein is necessary for living a healthy life, it naturally depletes with age. As a result, some turn to collagen supplements. While research is still being conducted to determine how effective supplements are when it comes to bones and muscles, there are some significant data that say they are good for skin and joints. Decrease skin elasticity. When you look into the mirror in the morning and notice some fine lines and wrinkles, don't be hard on yourself. Aging is natural. Some health experts even say that signs of aging can happen as early as age 25. And while sun damage, smoking, and even repeating the same facial expressions can affect your skin, one of the main reasons for aging skin is a lack of collagen, which can result in less elasticity. Premature graying. Collagen can help your hair thrive. This makes sense given the fact that collagen is an important protein and your hair is made up of mostly protein, keratin, to be exact. In fact, collagen contains some of the amino acids used to produce keratin. Also, the antioxidants in collagen can help to protect your hair follicles from free radical damage. And, since collagen makes up approximately 70% of the middle layer of your scalp that holds your hair follicles, collagen can help to prevent hair thinning too. Since collagen helps to keep free radicals at bay, it can also keep them from damaging the melanin that your hair follicles produce. This is a good thing because the longer your hair's melanin is able to remain intact, the longer it will take for your hair to turn gray. Dry and brittle nails. When you don't have as much collagen in your body as necessary, it can cause your nails to feel and look dry and brittle, but there's good news. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that collagen supplements can alleviate the symptoms of brittle nails and improves nail growth rate. Cataracts. If you were to ask someone with cataracts what it's like, they might tell you that it's similar to looking through a foggy window. As a result, it can be difficult for people with this eye disorder to drive at night, read under normal lighting, handle bright light, and maintain a steady eye prescription over time. While a routine eye exam can help your eye doctor to catch any signs of cataracts as soon as possible, avoiding smoking, eating a healthy diet, wearing sunglasses when you're outdoors, and reducing your alcohol intake can all help to prevent cataracts from becoming a personal health concern. Something else that can assist you is collagen. Collagen is vital for eye health, as it makes up 80% of the ocular structure, according to Total Eye Care. Interestingly, boosting your vitamin C intake can also help your eyes, as this vitamin is what helps your body to make more collagen. Joint pain. One type of collagen that your body produces is located in your joints and intervertebral discs. It helps to cushion and protect both of them by creating cartilage. There is a significant amount of data to support that low levels of collagen can lead to joint pain. The reality is that as you age and there is less collagen in your body, your chances of being diagnosed with a degenerative joint health issue increases. That's the bad news. The good news is adding more collagen into your system can reduce the amount of discomfort that you may feel. It can also lower bodily inflammation, decrease joint stiffness, and offer your body better joint support overall. Gastrointestinal problems. A whopping 60 to 70 million Americans are affected by some sort of digestive-related health issue, according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. Some are fighting infection and thus experience digestive issues. For others, certain medications are to blame, and then there are medical conditions, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, colitis, and Crohn's disease. You may not think collagen could play a role in digestive health, but it can, according to the Cleveland Clinic. In fact, the clinic cites that low collagen can indeed lead to gastrointestinal problems due to thinning of the lining in your digestive tract. Weight gain. Have you been noticing that, lately, you've been packing on a few extra pounds and you're not exactly sure why that is the case? Causes include consuming too much sugar, an imbalance of hormones, water retention, and a side effect of medication. And while you might have heard rumors that too much collagen can actually lead to weight gain, it's actually the opposite that is true. For instance, if you are gaining weight because of your diet, taking collagen supplements may indirectly lead to weight loss, as it may reduce fat accumulation and encourages muscle mass.